Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to retrieve Hotmail emails in just a few minutes. Whether you deleted something by accident or just need to recover an important message, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, head over to the Outlook login page on Microsoft 365. If you're not already signed in, enter your Hotmail email and password, then click Sign In. And yeah, just double check your details if you run into trouble. Things like caps lock can cause issues. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. On the left panel, you'll see a list of folders. Go ahead and click on Deleted Items. This is where emails go after being removed from your inbox. Now, quick note here, emails won't stay in deleted items forever. Depending on your account settings, they could be permanently removed after some time. So it's always best to act quickly. Inside deleted items, look for the option that says Recover items deleted from this folder. Click it and you'll see a list of emails that were recently purged. If you find the one you're missing, just check the box and hit recover. That will restore it back to your inbox. If you don't see the email in that list, don't panic right away. It may have already been permanently removed, but you can still try reaching out to Microsoft support. Sometimes they can offer recovery options that aren't available in your dashboard. And that's it. You now know how to retrieve Hotmail emails. The key is to act fast, because the sooner you try to recover, the better your chances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.